DongCheng Electric Mitre Saw DJX255 is one of the DongCheng professional power tools that is used to saw varieties of aluminium and wood with circular saw blades, high cutting accuracy and efficiency. It is durable and can be used with high precision and multi-function cutting. DongCheng Company manufactures various types of power tools and related spare parts, which are widely used in the fields of building construction, home decoration, stone industry, shipbuilding and water conservancy project. Sales network covers more than 60 countries and regions worldwide. The company strives in providing good quality products and good satisfying services to the global users. DongCheng Electric Mitre Saw DJX255 has the features of 1. Precision machined, aluminium based. 2. Dust bag for a cleaner work environment. 3. Belt drive structure. The DongCheng Electric Mitre Saw DJX3-255 it also comes with a specification of rated power input, 1650 W, no load speed, 4600 rankings per minute, hole die of blade, 25.4 mm, blade dia 255 mm, net weight, 12.0 kilograms. Accessories and packaging, vertical vise, dust bag assembly, holder assembly, 2 PCS, socket wrench, triangle ruler, carbon brush, color box packing. Get all DongCheng professional power tools in Nigeria from gzsuppliers.com.